Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about planet Mercury. Mercury is going to retrograde. Mercury is going to change their sign from 25th of January 2021. Mercury entered in Aquarius. 30th January 2021, Mercury retrograde in Aquarius. Then 4th January 2021, 4th February 2021, Mercury retrograde in Capricorn. Enter in Capricorn and retrograde again in Capricorn. And 21st of February 2021, Mercury direct in Capricorn till 11th of March 2021, Mercury transit in Capricorn. So you know very well my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants and Mercury transit in Aquarius and retrograde in Aquarius and Capricorn. From 25th of Jan 2021, your 5th house lord and your 2nd house lord Mercury, which is ruling planet for Taurus ascendants, which is very beneficiary planet for Taurus ascendants, going to change their sign from Capricorn to Aquarius. 25th of Jan 2021, 30th Jan 2021, Mercury will be retrograde in the sign of Aquarius in your 10th house, which is very good house. 5th house and 2nd house transit in your 10th house. You will be sky high in your professional life. Your seniors are satisfied from your performance. You will feel much relaxed and better. You will enjoy a lot of comforts at your workplace. If you're a businessman, you will make a lot of money. You will invest a lot of money. But be careful during Mercury retrograde time from 30th January 2021 to 21st of February 2021. During this period, don't invest your money anywhere. If you have a retrograde Mercury in your birth chart, you will surely blessed with a lot of profit. Good gains are there. If you are unemployed, you may get job. There is strong chances for your promotion or increment or change of place or change of office place during Mercury retrograde period from 30th Jan 2021 to 21st of February 2021. Mercury transit in your 10th and 9th house in retrograde motion will brings a lot of good fortune if you have a retrograde Mercury in your birth chart. If you have a direct Mercury in your birth chart when you was born, then you will face some small problems related to your source of earning, related to your workplace, related to your fortune, related to your seniors. Understanding between you and your senior will be affected. You are not feeling very positive, you are not feeling very comfortable. You are trying to put your 100% best, but due to your 5th lord is retrograde, you are not feeling very positive energy. From 30th Jan 2021 to 21st of Feb 2021, during this retrogression time of the Mercury in the sign of Capricorn, Mercury enter in Capricorn 4th February 2021 to 21st of February 2021. During this period, Mercury conjunction with Jupiter, Saturn and retrograde in your 9th house. You need to be careful while driving. Don't show your trust on anyone. Don't invest your money in anyone. Don't start anything new. Don't try to change your job. Don't try to switch off your job. Don't try to do anything new. When Mercury is retrograde in birth chart and you have a direct Mercury in your birth chart and Mercury is retrograde in transit, don't try to start anything new during that period. This is for every ascendant and especially for Taurus ascendants being a 5th lord. If you are investing your money in stock market, you will get very slow results. You will get profit but very slow. Your profit or your earning is not as per your expectation during this time. Taurus, you need to perform your best to satisfy your seniors at your workplace, but they are not satisfied because they need more efforts from your side. But Taurus, you are a winner in all aspects because Jupiter, Saturn is in 9th house. A major planets of the solar system transit in your 9th house in a Bhagyasthan. There is a strong chances you will become a winner after great struggle. Your hard work convert in success. But from 4th of Feb 2021 to 21st of Feb 2021, you need to be careful and alert while dealing any new document, while signing any new document, while entering in any new business horizon. Don't start anything new from 4th of Feb 2021 to 21st of Feb 2021. Don't buy any vehicle. Don't invest your money in real estate. Try to be humble and polite during this time. Don't be a part of any arguments or litigation with your seniors, with your family members. Otherwise, you will face a lot of trouble. You are not satisfied. Taurus, You need to be patient and chant Lord Ganesha mantra Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, and must read Lord Ganesha Chalisa every day morning 3 times, 5 times, 7 times. You will feel much relax and comfort. But Mercury retrograde in your 9th house from 4th Feb 21 to 21st of Feb 2021, you will face lot of slowdown in your professional life. You will face lot of slow in your fortune. You will see lot of hurdles at your workplace. You are not feeling comfortable. Your seniors, your colleagues are not performing as per your expectation. If you are in IT related work, if you are a doctor, if you are engineer, if you are any type of government employee, you need to be careful while talking with everyone. Don't show your ego or attitude in front of everyone. Be humble. Just perform your best at your workplace. This is not very fruitful time. I'm telling you again and again, when Mercury is retrograde in transit, don't invest money anywhere. Don't invest your money in stock market from 4th Feb 21 to 21st of Feb 2021. 21st of February 2021. Don't invest your money anywhere. Just chant the mantra of Lord Ganesha, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah. You will feel much relaxed and better. There is a time when your opposition or your competitor creates some problem at your workplace. They are trying to, do something against you, but you need to be positive and perform your best with honesty. You will definitely achieve a lot of milestone. After hard work, after struggle, success is there, Taurus, because Jupiter-Saturn conjunction, Dharma Karam Adhapati Yoga in your 9th house. But mentally you are not feeling comfortable, mentally you are not feeling relaxed. From 21st of Feb 2021, Mercury is direct in Capricorn till 11th of March 2021. You will be sky high and top. During this time, during this 20 days, you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your salary will rise, you will get promoted. There is a long distance journeys will make you happy. You will earn a lot of money from stock market. Good fortune is in your favor. Whatever you are doing, you will get promising results. Your hard work convert in sweet success. From 21st of Feb 2021 to 11th of March 2021, you will be top and sky high. Your seniors are satisfied from your performance. Whatever you are doing, you will get fantastic results. If you are a businessman, you will get new order from foreign land. Taurus, you need to perform your best. This time, from 4th February 2021 to 21st of February 2021, don't start anything new. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't show your trust on anyone. Someone may cheat you. Try to be in a good talks with your seniors at your workplace. But after 21st of Feb 2021 to 11th of March 2021, you will be top and sky high. Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury direct transit in your Capricorn, in your 9th house. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. Good fortune is in your favor. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Taurus, I am praying for your happy future and must read this mantra Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, and read Ganesh Chalisa, Lord Ganesh Chalisa every day morning 3 times, 5 times, 7 times. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. Thank you for watching my video. I am praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.